Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you some places where to find help for all LibreOffice modules. Let's get right into it. Click on Help in the toolbar. If you get a message that help is not available offline, just download and install the help files. To do that, go to the LibreOffice download page and click on Help for offline use. After the file download finished, click on Open to start the installation of the help file. Acknowledge all upcoming messages. It's a very normal installation process, so I will speed up things a little bit. Whenever you click the Help button now, LibreOffice Help will open in a new window, of course in offline mode. Enter your search term and the solution is at your fingertips. The Wiki Document Foundation is an excellent online place to find complete instruction book chapters in PDF or other formats. LibreOffice Help is a blog with many useful LibreOffice tutorials. This concludes our video about getting help in LibreOffice. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.